You will begin taking insulin into the subcutaneous tissue. To determine when you should inject insulin you are taking, check your blood sugar no more than 30 minutes.
But once they actually try it, it becomes like any other routine. Here's how I teach them. You'll need your bottle of insulin, syringe, and a sharps container. Always wash your hands with soap and water before you begin. Many of my patients are hesitant to begin injecting insulin, but once they actually try it, it becomes Typically, there are 3 syringe sizes. 1 cc holds 100 units of insulin, a half cc holds 50 units, and a third care team about how much insulin you need and which syringe size you should use. Insulin